Welcome. If you're looking to get the most out of your Pinterest experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable the Show Similar Products feature for a specific pin on Pinterest. This is a fantastic way to help your audience discover related items, making your pins even more engaging and useful. Let's dive right in. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This takes you to your personal Pinterest space, where all your saved ideas and pins are organized. Next, look for the Pins tab at the top of your profile page. Give it a tap to view all the pins you've saved. Scroll through your collection and select the pin you want to update. This could be anything from a favorite recipe to a product you love. Once you've found your pin, tap on it to open the details. In the top right corner, you'll notice 3 dots. These are your More options. Tap on those 3 dots to bring up a menu of actions you can take. From here, select Edit. This will open the editing screen for your pin, where you can make all sorts of adjustments. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Advanced Settings. This is where the magic happens. Inside the Advanced Settings, you'll find an option called Show Similar Products. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch to the On position. This tells Pinterest to display similar products to viewers when they check out your pin, helping them explore more ideas and items related to your content. Don't forget to save your changes. Tap Save in the upper right corner, and you're all set. Your pin will now show similar products, making it easier for your followers and visitors to discover even more inspiration. That's it. Quick, simple, and effective. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on optimizing your Pinterest profile and making the most of your social media presence. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!